The STM32 Nucleo board is a highly versatile and cost-effective development platform. It's designed for rapid prototyping with STM32 microcontrollers, offering a wide range of features to suit various project needs. One of its standout features is the extensive input-output headers, which allow for easy connectivity with a variety of external components and sensors. These headers are compatible with Arduino, Uno, V3 and ST Morpho, making it easy to use existing shields and expansion boards. The heart of the Nucleo board is an ARM Cortex-M microcontroller, providing powerful performance and low power consumption. It operates at frequencies up to 72 MHz depending on the specific model. The Nucleo series includes various models with different capabilities such as the P-Nucleo WB55, which features Bluetooth 5 and IEEE 802.15.4 connectivity. Other models may include Ethernet, USB OTG or CAN interfaces for diverse application requirements. The Nucleo board is compatible with a wide range of development environments including ST's STM Cube IDE integrated development environment as well as other popular IDEs like Kyle MDK and IAR EWARM. It also supports mbed online development platform for even faster prototyping.